Looking to tidy up your in-wall cable installation? The Monoprice Custom 2-hole 1-gang Keystone Wall Plate offers a sleek, professional solution that fits standard single-gang setups. It's designed to give your cables a clean, organized look that blends seamlessly into your space. This wall plate features 2 keystone holes sized at the industry standard 14.5 by 16.0 mm. That means you can mix and match any 2 keystone connectors you need, whether it's HDMI, RJ45, RCA, or other common types. You can even use one keystone and leave the other blank for future upgrades. What makes this wall plate stand out is its versatility. Whether you're setting up a home theater, office network, or audio system, it adapts to your specific needs. The compact 1-gang size fits most standard electrical boxes, keeping your installation neat without taking up extra wall space. Installation is straightforward but requires a low-voltage mounting bracket, which is sold separately. This ensures a secure and code-compliant setup, so your cables stay firmly in place behind the wall plate for years to come. Customers appreciate the sturdy build and clean finish, though some mention the paint on the screws can scratch easily during installation. Also, the fit with keystones is snug, especially with HDMI and RJ45 connectors, which means your connections stay secure but might take a little extra effort to snap in. The package dimensions are compact, 3.0 cm in length, 8.2 cm in width, and 12.6 cm in height, making it easy to handle and store. Plus, it's manufactured in China, reflecting a balance of quality and affordability. If you want a simple, customizable way to organize your cables without clutter, this wall plate is worth considering. It keeps your setup clean and ready for any future tech upgrades, all while maintaining a professional appearance. Ready to upgrade your cable management? The Monoprice 2-hole 1-gang Keystone Wall Plate offers flexibility and a polished look that fits your needs. Try it when you're ready to bring order and style to your wiring.